Afternoon. That graffiti, that's cool, isn't it? So I've just come out for a little trip up to the shops. And I thought I'd do a little film on the way back. Look at all these berries. There's bloody loads of them. I think they're probably poisonous. You won't eat them anyway, I know that much. Like the yellow ones, now the red ones, look at them. How pretty are they? So, anyway, enough for the berries. Let's go for a little ride. It's not long ago in Shaz's life, where I am now officially the king of XP points. Haha. How many did I get, you ask? 2,975. Get in there. That's what you call support and off, that is. Been and picked up a load of 50p's. So that's for a spare wheel off a Range Rover by the looks. Take it the plant nursery is closed. Well, it might be, might not be. Yeah. Come on, get out of the way. God, it's a lovely day. Like 19 degrees, I believe. I'll go this way. A little squirrel eating the nuts. He's having a right good munch, he is. He's not bothered though, look. I'm not sure what nuts he's eating. There must be some on the ground. We've got a tree here where people hang charms in it. I think the council must take them out for some reason. There's usually loads in it. That's a cool bush, isn't it? All the garden centres are. Or the plant nursery. Should we have a look? Have a little ride around. Sell all sorts there. Plant pots, and you got polytunnels. Some lovely flowers. Could go around the garden centre. They've got like these big gorilla things in it. Sorry. Oh, park at the top. Yeah, no, I can't ride round. we'll have a quick look. I'm not going to lock my bike up. Bike can stay there for a minute. Look how big that plant pot is. Giant. Maggie in the tree. It's nice in areas. Look at big palm tree. We've got a big hippo there, look. And a monkey hanging from the rafters. Pretty flower, isn't it? Oh, look how big them leaves are. That's gigantic. No word of a lie, that's about 4 foot. Let's just hope my bike don't go missing. What we got here? We got something else in the tree, look. Should have done this live, shouldn't I? How pretty is that? Very nice. It's like an animal's head, isn't it? A little waterfall going on there. That big spider. Then we got the fish. Look at that big bad boy over there. Let's see if we can see it from this angle. God, it's crazy warm in here. Cooking. Can't see it. It's down there somewhere. That looks like it's just work in progress. Plants growing, people watering them. Norfolk Island pine, ancient tree. These have been around for millions of years, even when the dinosaurs roamed the earth. Banyan tree, biggest tree in the world. Should come up here and do a live video. God, I'm cooking. And got a giraffe. I think these are made of metal. Yeah, they are. They're all welded together. See the welds on them. What a lovely place, though. How peaceful is this? Yeah, my bike's still there. I'm still blown away how big them leaves are. That thing is massive. Hi, I'm Dino. My friends and I welcome you to our tropical house trail. And I'll leave you on that one, everyone. Take care now and have a wonderful day.